Isa man na.
Ano siya si Basura Man?
Sure, you're cutting it so small.
Pintados ni siya. Pintados.
Pintados.
Kaya nga pintados.
Secretary, is you right? The name of
Pintados.
your the one per sheet of paper.
Wow, bundat na bundat si Basura Man.
Basura Man.
Hey, Hannah, you're an artist.
Oh, of course.
She draws an animal cell teacher.
You don't have animal cell yet?
Yes.
What are you doing, Anjo?
Documenting everything.
Picture of Angelique.
You want to be documented, teacher?
No.
Picture of Abon.
Aray ko, pistol.
Since it is already polluted. Teacher, do you have a more
other people beautiful people around.
you have this teacher? Don't have any other teacher?
The color pencil.
Hi, teacher, you dropped
Hey, take it away from us. You're doing something here.
your coloring materials are very expensive, yet they are not sharpened.
You document there.